Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the Oppo A3 Pro 5G and opening System Cloner. Make sure battery is above 50% and Wi-Fi is stable. This prevents interruptions. Unlock developer options only if System Cloner prompts for it. Once done, go to Settings, choose System, then System Cloner, tap Create New Clone. You will be asked to name the clone and select which apps and data to include. Pick core apps first to speed the initial copy. This starts the cloning setup immediately. You continue by selecting exactly what to copy to the new profile. Pick apps, contacts, messages, and media. Enable system data only if you need full parity. Next, set a separate lock method for the clone when prompted. This isolates profiles and avoids security conflicts. Tap Create and watch the progress bar. Cloning can take several minutes depending on size. Make sure not to force close settings. Instead, let the process run in background while you monitor notifications for completion. You finish by verifying and adjusting the new clone. Switch users to enter the clone profile, then test core apps and grant required permissions. Some apps need relogin or separate account setup. Reconfigure notifications and payment methods so features work independently. If something goes wrong, reboot the phone and check available storage. Insufficient space or a background app can break cloning. Make sure Wi-Fi stayed connected, then retry Create. If failures persist, remove large media or backup and try again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.